we gonna try this out. This is the Matte Ink liquid lipstick. Honey, when I tell you I had a long day, whoo, child. All right, so this is peach berry, and it is from Glampalooza. Okay, Foxy Lady, honey. I know. Lately, I've been feeling the way Dollar Tree has been putting like the lipstick and the mascara, like the packaging. Oh my goodness, so amazing. Okay, let's get into this. Oh. Okay, wait, hold on, child. Let me just. All right, I like it. Now, if you guys don't know, I prefer a red lip, okay? But this will do. This is like more on the neutral side. They had this color and it was one other color, but that other color I was like, oh no, that's a no-go from the name. Okay, maybe I'll give it a try next time. I don't know, but let me know in the comment section if you guys like this color. I like this, okay? But like I said, I am a matte red type of gal. Let the clip roll. All right, honey, there's a few items that Dollar Tree has new. Did you see this? The 24 karat plump serum. Honey, get into this and we're gonna do this $1.25. Now, Dollar Tree also have the Pearl Hyaluronic Acid Serum, Brighten and Glow. This is $1.25. Honey, when I tell you Dollar Tree is out here showing out for you and me, honey, new items at Dollar Tree. You want to stick around and see this, okay? Look, like this copper mug, spiral notebook, okay, notepad. Look how cute this is. Honey, this is cute for $1.25. Look at the, honey, it's the lemon and the peppermint up at the top for me. You get what I'm saying? They also have this one as well, warm and cozy. Ooh, child, this is so cute, especially for the children, you know, going to school. Honey, $1.25. This is a copper mug, spiral notepad. This is fancy to say the least. Now, another new item that Dollar Tree has is this chapstick, Total Hydration, infused with essential oils, 100% natural, sourced ingredients made with the essence of rosemary, peppermint. Find the peacefulness. Ooh, this is fancy. Absolutely like this. Now, Dollar Tree also have the watercolor effect, nail top coat, elevate any manicure, abstract watercolor designs. Now, these come in about 3 different colors. They have the purple, the green, honey. They also have the purple, they also have the blue, and also the red. Honey, if I could get it. Really cute, $1.25. Now, all the Dollar Trees near me, they have been selling the LA Colors Fearless Fantasy. Now, this is the tattoo stamp pen, LA Colors. They come in different colors. Absolutely love this. So they have the one that is like a flower. This one is called Black Flower. They also have the Black Heart. Okay, love that. Black Butterfly, honey, Black Star, fancy pantsy. They also have the crystal lip glosses. Now, this one is called Lilac Fantasy. And then they also have, oh honey, that don't belong here. Now, just in case if you guys missed this is called the Glampalooza, okay, matte ink liquid lipstick. It comes in 2 different colors. They have the peach berry, also the roseberry. They also have the pink glitz, the cinnamon sugar. This is lip plumpers. They also have the eyeshadow stick. These are $1.25. Absolutely love this. This one, cranberry shimmer. They also have the matte espresso. Ooh, child, fancy. They also have the purple haze. I love this amethyst shimmer. Honey, get into this. They also have the fine tip nail art to easily pick up gems. Absolutely love this. They also have the Mood Lip Balm. Honey, this do not belong here. Okay. Now, they also have Swipe and Go Blush Stick. Raspberry, $1.25. Brow Defining Pen. Ooh, child. Dark brown. And then this is just another, this is Energizing Glow Mist Cherry Melon, $1.25. Now, I'm going to go ahead and get one of these to see how they do. Okay, boo? So we're going to go ahead and get the Matte Ink Liquid Lipstick Peach Berry. Let's see. Another item that Dollar Tree has is the Therapy Comfort Concentrated Mineral Bath Soap, Epsom Salt, Anika, and Bowls. Honey, don't get me to lying. Now, what I do know is Anika is really, really good. Now, entertainment purposes only, honey, I am not a doctor, okay? But for me using Anika is really, really good. If you have boils or anything like that or any wounds, Anika is really, really good. Ideal for all over soothing. Blueberry citrus. Love that. Now, another new item that Dollar Tree has is the Pore Purifying and Exfoliating Cleansing Balm, okay, from Global Beauty. This is $1.25, but child, honey, get into it, girls. Now, Dollar Tree has the 24 karat Gold Flakes, honey, if my phone focus, Gold Flakes Serum, Plump and Smooth. Ooh, child, Spa Sensuals, $1.25. Ooh, this is fancy. This is new. Honey, listen, Linda. So, never get hair clogs again. So, if you need something, now, it's guaranteed to catch every strand of hair. Oh, I like this. Insert silicone into the drain. Install in seconds. The hair wraps up neatly around the cylinder. Simply clean and reuse or dispose. Cyclone. Honey, what did I just say? Silicone, honey, tomato, $1.25. This is good. This is a steal deal now. You don't want to clog that drain, honey. Steal deal. Now, if you are looking for some new cleaning items, Dollar Tree definitely has the Easy Clean Multi-Purpose Foam, 5 times faster scrubbing bubbles. This is new, honey. They also have the Easy Clean Multi-Purpose Foam, 5 times faster as well. Absolutely love this. Now, Dollar Tree also have the Carbona. This is Oxy Carpet Cleaner, $5. Ooh, I love how they got the brush right here, okay, to scrub that spot. If you have something on your carpet, honey, you can use this to scrub that spot. Okay, so other fun items Dollar Tree has, like this Shimmering Body Oil Pineapple. Okay, with the acid, vitamins A, C, and E. This is fancy. So, this one is, let me see, Illuminate Plus Moisture. Absolutely love this. This is the pineapple one. The white one is pineapple. They also have this one, Strawberry Hyaluronic Acid with vitamins A, C, and E. Hydrate, Boost, and Radiance. Shall get into it. They also have the Coconut. Honey, come on with these words. Okay? Illuminate, Moisturize, $1.25. Dollar Tree said, listen, we gonna deliver. And that's words to the mother and the brother. Now, Dollar Tree has a few new masks. I always say, if you having a spa night for girls or a couple spa night, honey, come to Dollar Tree. They have this Grape Fizz facial mask, Revitalizing Firm, $1.25. They also have the Earl Grey infused sheet mask, helps to soothe and restore the skin, $1.25. Green tea infused sheet mask, $1.25 as well. Really, really cute. Miss Spa Glow Girl, brightening with vitamin C. Likes that. Now, if you are looking to get your children some of these plushies, these are a plush collection, $5. Absolutely love this, honey. If you go to places like Lidl or Aldi, honey, they have plushies as well, but those plushies is $20. You could just come on down to Dollar Tree and get these for $5. This is a steal deal like Holyfield. Now, we talked about this last time so many times, honey. This is the Value 5-pack nature-inspired fragrances. Berry Burst, $3. Absolutely love the Berry Burst. They also have the Fireside Joy. This not my really, it smells okay, but I really prefer the Berry Burst, okay? Because this smells so good. Absolutely love this. Peace, family. Peace, 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 peace. I hope you guys are having such a glorious day. If not, do understand and get your day, your life is going to get better, honey, once you think twice. So today we are at Dollar Tree in Union, New Jersey on Route 22. We gonna see if they gonna have us move our feet to the beat. Honey, so today, before we really get into it, when I had left the house, totally forgot to put on deodorant. Ciao! Okay? Let me know in the comment section if you ever did that. Now I gotta hold my arms tight like this. Like this. Honey, oh my goodness. Honey, don't feel bad if you ever did that, okay? Alright? Now let's get into this. So first up, Dollar Tree has these activity trays. These are $1.25. Washable, stackable, portable, great for organizing and crafts. Helps keep work area tidy. Really, really cute. So they come in 4 different colors. They have the pink, the green, the blue, and also the purple. How you doing? Now, Dollar Tree also have these extendable organizers. We had seen these last time. These are $1.25. Absolutely love these. They have the smaller version here, and then they also have the larger ones here. Let me show you how these are. Okay, family, so this is the smaller version right here. Absolutely love these. You could put so much stuff in here. Pencils, you can put paint brushes if you be painting, getting your little paint on, child. You could also put some makeup brushes in here. Love these. Now, let me show you the other version. Now, this one is a bit more wider, but I absolutely love this, okay? They have the black and white going on. Honey, extendable. Honey, just act like you ain't see that part, okay? And the great thing is, if it comes apart, honey, wait, hold on, child. Wait, hold on. Honey, easy peasy, lemon squeezy. You could just put it back together. You get what I'm saying? Love these. Now, other items that Dollar Tree has is the beach towels. This is $5. Honey, this is a steal deal. New larger size, says Dollar Tree. They also have the watermelon looking one. This is cute. $5. And if you are looking for a beach tote, honey, Dollar Tree said we in a place to be. These are $5. Now, what I absolutely love is these 14-piece round food containers for $5. Honey, 14 pieces for $5. This is a steal deal. Now, Dollar Tree also have the LA Colors Nail Studio. Now, I was thinking, honey, didn't they have this for Halloween? But honey, they done brought this back. Okay, love these glow tips. These are glow tips. I like this one, the orange checkerboard. Really, really cute. They also have the glow in the dark nail art and polish. Really, really cute. Honey, but this ain't really my cup of tea. You get what I'm saying? Now, ooh, glazed nail tips. Now, this is more like it. I like these. And they not real long. And just in case if you was wondering, like, Dina, where did you get those nails done? Who do your nails, honey? I did them. Okay, these are Dollar Tree nails, $1.25. Why pay cousin Leadley $50 when you could come to Dollar Tree, okay, and get these for $1.25? Now, honey, you do what works for you, okay, boo? Let's move on. Now, a new item that Dollar Tree has is the Argan Oil Hydrating Mask. Now, this is from Jerry Redden Professional. Now, let me tell you something. When it comes to Dollar Tree hair products, honey, you can dismiss me on them. Okay? All right. Now, I think this is $1.25 if I'm not mistaken. But, honey, let me tell you something. Listen, I stick to what I know. Let me know in the comment section. Let us know if you guys have ever tried this. Now, Dollar Tree also have the head wraps for the babies. You get 2 of these for $1.25. They also have the ponytail holders. Honey, you get 30 of these for $1.25. And look at the
hair clips. These are cute. 3 pieces for $1.25. And then they also have the orange slices, 2 pieces for $1.25. Still deal. Mesh bath sponges. We had seen these last week, but honey, these are so fancy. You would not think that these was $1.25. Cleanse and exfoliates, 2 for $1.25. Honey, this is a steal deal, and this is as heavy as a brick. I'm trying to tell you. Now they come in different colors, but the only ones that they have at this location is pink and also gray. Dollar Tree has these candle holders right here. These are $1.25. Honey, they're a little too, I mean, I like gold in them, but honey, you know, maybe if I hooked it up, okay, you know, bring my artist out, bring out my, decorous, I'm trying to think of the name. I can't think of the name. But honey, I guess it depends on how you style it. But me looking at this, like right now, I'm like, that's a no-go. Now, Dollar Tree also have these, what are these? These instant? No. Oh, these burners. You remember how you would go to Bath and Body Works, okay, and get the oil and put the oil up in here and put the candle down here, and these things would be like $8 back in the day. Honey, Dollar Tree got these for $1.25. Still deal. And they come in 2 different colors. They have this brown and they also have black.